Are you tired of clicking through the Google admin console hundreds of times just to update or create multiple entries? Meet SheetOps, the Google Sheets add-on that lets you manage your workspace directory at spreadsheet speed. To change Google Workspace passwords in bulk, open your Google Sheet and go to Extensions, SheetOps, Users. If you want to reset passwords for users in a specific organizational unit or those reporting to a manager, select Fetch with Filters. Since I already have the list of user emails, I will choose just the sheet to create a clean template. Now, let's paste our user emails and new passwords into the template. For passwords, we will be using a simple formula. You can copy it from the description below. Before pasting data into the SheetOps template, make sure to insert raw password strings rather than dynamic formulas. You can do this by copying your generated passwords and pasting them as values only. If you want users to set their own password when they next log in, set the Change Password Next Login column to Yes. To change the passwords of these users, we need to check the boxes in the Apply Changes column. You can click and drag across the checkboxes or select the first checkbox, hold Shift and click the last one. Then press spacebar to toggle all selected checkboxes at once. In the confirmation dialog box, select No, since we are updating passwords for existing users rather than creating new ones. SheetOps will update the passwords one by one, recording the status in the changelog column. SheetOps directly connects with official directory APIs from your Google Sheet for data fetching and update. Hence, none of your data leaves your Google account. SheetOps will connect with its backend server only to verify your license status. Install SheetOps now from Google Workspace Marketplace. Link in the description below.